Hello, my dear friends. Friends, I am Jyotirvid Pavan Kumar. Friends, you know about mantras? There are so many mantras, and mantras are very effective. Each mantra is designed with certain results in mind, right? See, all these mantras were designed by our great rishis, true sages, self-realized sages who had great powers, and they knew the impact of certain Sanskrit words, the vibrations, the resulting vibrations, and also the meaning. There is a meaning of the mantra, and it requires repetition. Mantra becomes effective only if it is repeated again and again, not in just in one day, but over certain period of time. Every day you repeat, sit in a comfortable posture and repeat it, right? Only then it will sink into your subconscious mind, right? Now, a few things which are very important, let me tell you, then I will give you this mantra, right? This mantra which I have selected for this video, right? It's a wonderful, very powerful, very effective mantra, right? First of all, you must sit somewhere in a comfortable posture. That is a must, because if there is any stress or strain in your body, you will not be able to fully concentrate on the mantra. So mantra will be effective when you are fully concentrating on what you are reciting, the mantra, right? Also, you must know overall the meaning of the mantra. If not meaning to each word very minutely, but overall you must know what this mantra implies, why you are reciting it, what results you can expect, right? So it is must. And also sit in a comfortable posture somewhere where nobody is going to disturb you. You can decide that you are going to recite this mantra for 15 minutes or half an hour. You can use a rosary to keep a count, but see, I prefer that you do not bother about the number of recitations. Some people, their aim is to fulfill certain number of repetitions of the recitations of the mantra. Then what happens? Their attention is fully on completing that required number of recitations. But that is not good, I am telling you from my own experience and experience of some other people I know, that if you forget about counting the number of recitations and you fully concentrate on the mantra and you enjoy reciting the mantra, then it is more effective. So you can decide about the time, right? That you today you are going to recite this mantra in one session for say 15 minutes or half an hour. So don't bother about the count, right? Sit somewhere where nobody disturbs you in between, right? That is important, right? And sit somewhere where you are where there is not very bright light and not much noise around. You can recite the mantra mentally or verbally, I mean loudly, right? Both ways it is effective, but I find personally that if you recite it loudly, not as loud to disturb other people, but I should say verbally, vocally, if you recite it vocally, then it is much more effective, right? Now for today's video I have selected a mantra. See what happens in life, people sometimes find there are so many obstacles, things are not moving as they should, right? And there may be scarcity of money, so somebody is looking for prosperity, and also it so happens sometimes in life of certain people that there is uncertainty about future. Of course I agree that a lot of things about future are uncertain, but what happens if one is not following the right path in life? Then life becomes very uncertain. So this mantra will help you to move on the right path, gradually, and then the future will not remain as uncertain as it used to be, right? So this mantra is going to give you prosperity, is going to give you peace of mind, of course, peace of mind, and meaning to your life. That is a must, that has to come when you are on this path of using certain these techniques, like using mantras, right? But this particular mantra will bless you with prosperity, and will remove uncertainty about life, and will also remove the obstacles in your life, right? And you will have a clear path, and you will go ahead, right? Provided you recite this mantra every day with concentration and while enjoying the recitations, right? Now for reciting this mantra, sit in a comfortable posture, somewhere where nobody is going to disturb you, and you decide that you will recite this mantra for 15 minutes or half an hour, and don't bother about the count, right? Fully concentrate on the mantra and keep the meaning of the mantra in your mind, right? Now this mantra is, I have taken from Durga Saptshati, and this is mantra of the Divine Mother. See, it is the Divine Mother, the power of the Supreme Lord Brahma, which is looking after the creation, like a mother, physical mother, looks after her children. So Divine Mother looks after the children of God, which we are all, right? So that is why it is assumed as a female form, right? And this is mantra is for Durga Mata. I have taken it from Durga Saptshati, right? Very powerful mantra, right? So let me, first of all, you can write it down. Now let me read the mantra slowly so that you follow. Sarva Badha Vinirmukto Dhan Dhanya Sutanvita Manushyo Mat Prasadin Bhushyati Na Sanchaya. See the beautiful words of Sanskrit, they have great meaning. Sarva Badha, all obstacles will be removed. This mantra implies that the Divine Mother will bless you, and all the obstacles, Sarva Badha, all obstacles in your life will be removed. Dhan Dhanya Sutanvita, and you will be blessed with prosperity, right? And Sutanvita, those married people who are looking forward to having children, they will be blessed with children, progeny, right? Manushyo mat prasadin bhushyati na sanchaya, and your future will not remain as uncertain as it used to be. Bhushyati na sanchaya, you will not have as much uncertainty about your future. Of course, normally speaking, we do not know exactly what our future is going to bring. But if you are following the wrong path in life, then future becomes more and more uncertain. So this mantra will help you to move on the right path, and thereby it will remove most of the uncertainties of future. So you will be sure where you are heading, right? So this is a wonderful mantra. It's going to help you if you desire any of these results, right? So recite with full concentration and enjoy while reciting. Forget about. You can use the rosary and count the numbers, but I prefer not to do that, not to use rosary, not to count it. Recite for half an hour. If you enjoy, you can prolong that session, right? Or you can sit down again, right? So go on reciting every day. See, if you are you want to ask me for how many days, then I will say at least 21 days or 40 days if you can, right? Or till you get the results, the desired results, right? So you can recite with full concentration and enjoy while reciting. सर्वबाधा विनिर्मुक्तो धनधान्ये सुतान्वितः मनुष्यो मत्प्रसादेन भविष्यति न संशयः. Enjoy, right? So gradually this mantra will sink into your subconscious mind, and then it will bring about the manifestation of the results for which this mantra was designed, and I have explained what this mantra is going to give you, right? So I hope this video will help you, and if you recite this mantra you will get the desired results. And if you have any comments or any questions regarding this mantra, then you can ask. You are most welcome. My dear friends, thank you for watching.